Topeka, Kansas may be nowhere near an actual rainforest, but you can sure find one at Topeka Collegiate School.
13's Carolyn Burkhardt shows us how third graders brought their lessons to life.
Third graders at Topeka Collegiate School used weeks of researching and crafting to transform a classroom into a rainforest.
Putting the rainforest together takes about 10 to 15 hours. We put in all kinds of, we try to cover up the fakeness. So we have the mulch, we have the water, we have all kinds of plants to cover up.
Topeka Zoo Director Brendan Wiley was among those taking a tour.
You know, this experience just kind of blows you away. Not only the kind of complete immersiveness to it, but the number of animals that are in here and all the information that the kids know. Just fantastic.
Students are able to guide family and friends through the rainforest, sharing facts about animals like the bush viper.
There's no antidote for their venom, meaning if you got bit, you could consider yourself dead because they cannot heal bush viper venom.
And ways to save the ecosystem.
We could encourage others to stop having deforestation and stop cutting down the trees.
The rainforest makes up very little of the Earth's surface, so it is vital we do all that we can to save it.
The scientists are predicting they could be, disappear if we're working on conservation, but if we don't continue working on conservation, they can disappear. That means animals and plants. They're finding plant uses all the time, and if the rainforest disappears, then we won't have those uses.
I'm Caroline Burkhardt, 13 News.
The third graders are sponsoring a Trash to Treasure contest to create your own design using recycled or reused materials. They have entries due tomorrow morning, so it'll be interesting to see that.
All right.